Hello, welcome all. Today we start with the layout. So what is the layout? Layout are the special type of the views that represent the common parts of the multiple views, that is the header and footer. So what is the header and footer? See, you can see in our basic application page here the my application is written over here. This is the header section. This menu bar is appear in header section and there is a footer section. So this header and footer is common for the home page, about page, contact page and login page. So what are these? This is a common layout is made for this application. So how the layout is created and how we can customize our layout. So we will see. So we will move to our code section. In code, the basically layouts are stored in a views. In views folder, there are folder is called a layout. In layout, there is a page called main.php. So in main.php, these are the code for our layout. So as you can see here, the layout generates the HTML tag common to all the pages. Within a body section, see here it is a body section of the layout page. So within a body section, you can generate or you can create the header, you can create the content of the page or content of the layout. So within a body section, the layout echoes the content variable with the rendering view method. As you can see, various meta tags are registered here. So what are the meta tags? The meta tags are the HTML tags used to provide the additional information about a page to search engines and the other clients. In next thing, there are some methods that are used here to create the layout. So what are those methods? The methods are begin page, head, begin body, end body and end page. These are the basic methods that are used to create the layout. So we will see one by one. So what is the begin page? This method should be called at the very beginning of the layout page and it triggers the event begin page which indicates the beginning of the page. The next is end page. So what it should be called at the end of the layout page and it triggers the event end page and it indicates the end of the page, the end of the layout. The next method is head. This head section of the HTML page generates the placeholders which will be replaced with the register tags. The next method is begin body. It should be called at the beginning of the body section. It generates the event called event begin body and placeholders which will be replaced by the HTML code, suppose like JavaScript, CSS and HTML tags that contains the code of the page. Next method is end body. The end body should be called at the end of the body section and it triggers the event called event end body and shows the end of the content. So what we'll do now, we will create our own layout. So this is default layout page. So now we customize our own layout. So to create a layout, we will go to views. In layout section, we copy this main.php file and paste it here only. Rename it. Suppose we will give name as new layout.php. In that, what we'll do, we will remove all these meta tags to customize our layout. Okay, next is begin page is okay. The section is okay. We will remove this header section. Building, remove the head. In main, we remove this widget we will not need. And in footer section, what we'll do, we write here modify this content and write here take data. It will take the current year. So what we did here from the main layout page, we had removed the menu bar, content, and we modify the footer. Okay, so let's check it. Before checking it, we have to set this new layout to our application. To how to set the layout, there are two ways to set the layout. First way is with the web.php file, and second way to set the layout property in the site controller. So what we'll do, we first go with the method web.php. So where it is web.php, in config folder there is a file called web.php. Here you can set the all the paths of your applications. So in config you will set here layout and the name of our new layout. So our new layout is name is layout. Okay, so we will go to the browser, check whether it is set or not. This is default layout. We refresh it and see. As you can see, the layout has been changed. The menu bar has been disappeared and the footer has been customized. As you can see the tag data we write in our footer section. So this is how you can get your layout. If your new layout or your layout is in another folder, then how you can set your path for the layout. So what we'll do, to set the path, we will write here the layout path variable. So we will see it with example. What we'll do, we create a new folder, give it its name as layout 2. Layout 2, we copy this default set, paste. What we did, we create a folder called layout 2. Layout 2, we place the main.php file, that is default layout file. So if I want to set the default layout page, here you can see this is our customized layout. So I want the old layout. What we'll do, I will set the path here. Layout path equal to add date, app use name of the newly created folder. So this is layout and of the layout file. Suppose, so we will go to browser, we check. As you can see, the old layout is displayed. This is how you can set the path for the folder and set the layout. So we keep our customized layout only here. The second way is to set the layout with the controller. So how it can be used? Just simply declare here in a controller class, declare a public layout property is equal to name of the layout. This is another method to set the layout for the application. As you can see, here many meta tags are registered. So to register various meta tags, you can call this register meta tag method. If you want to register your own meta tags, so how it can be done? So we will see it with example. So what we'll do, we go to some view file, suppose this content.php. In this view, we will create our own meta tags. So what we'll do, we this the method register meta tag, and the property, this name property contains name of the tag. Suppose I will give it as keyword. Next is content. It should be suppose Yii2 creating layouts, views, tags. Okay, this is how you can register your tag. Suppose we create another tag. This register meta tag, name of the tag, property, name of the tag, suppose description, content, this is layout page. Okay, and parameter option. Okay, so what we'll do to check whether the meta tags are registered or not, we'll go to the contact page view source. So in this r is equal to site contact. Okay, this is our page. Go to view source, and here you can see our tags that we are declared over there, that is keyword, Yii2 creating layouts, views and tags, description. This is a layout page. This is how you can register your own meta tag to your page through the layout. So this is how you can create your own layout and customize your layout. In next video, we will see about routes and URL of the page. Thank you.